This is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Buick Verano in a base trim and powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking into the trunk, which is relatively spacious considering the size of the vehicle and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you do have a nice husky liner cargo mat in the trunk there too. And first, looking into the back seat, where you have a nice you have seating for three with a nice cloth and leather or vinyl interior. I can't honestly tell. And in the middle here, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a fold-out 12-volt and a little storage compartment there. This vehicle does also have an aftermarket remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 171,236 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls. You also have the controls for your little info screen here on the signal stalk. So you have your digital speedometer, you have navigation, trip timer, average speed, your fuel economy, distance to empty, trip 1 and 2, mileage, and then you can also go into some of your service info. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, CD, and auxiliary capable, I believe. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You also have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your remote hatch release there. And then you have all of your media controls, and then you have your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. Below that, you have a cubby with a 12-volt power outlet inside, so you can plug something in and power or charge from there. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your parking brake here, little cubby, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious inside with a USB and your auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.